The bluebird of paradise is a beautiful and unique bird found in the rainforests of New Guinea. It is one of the largest birds of paradise, and the males are known for their elaborate courtship displays. The male bluebird of paradise has a glossy black body with bright blue wings and tail. He also has two long wire-like feathers that extend from his back. During his courtship display, the male will hang upside down from a branch and spread his feathers to show off his colorful plumage. He will also make a variety of calls to attract the attention of females. 3 facts about bluebird of paradise. 1. The bluebird of paradise is a vulnerable species, and its population is declining due to habitat loss and hunting. 2. The female bluebird of paradise builds a nest in a tree hollow, and she lays 1 or 2 eggs. 3. The young bluebird of paradise are altricial, meaning that they hatch helpless and require parental care.